Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna be doing this orange furby connect. His fur was taken off before, so my finger's in the way of the camera. His fur was taken off before, so he looks kind of messed up. And I have done stuff to him before, like I have taken him apart. So today I'm going to destroy him. So let me turn him on, since he don't have an antenna anymore because it fell off. I have to put a string on his tail. So, wake up now. Also, he don't move. He's waking up. Hold on a minute. Okay, he's awake. You good, buddy? So, we're going to... First, I want to start off with putting water on him. So, I'll be right back when I get water. Okay. I just got the water. Can't really tell on camera, but it's in there. What is in? So first we're just going to pour it on him. Yeah. How's it feel? How's it feel to be wet, buddy? You're wet. You don't really care. Okay. I'm gonna come back with some more water. Also, if I end up breaking that glass bowl, I'm gonna be in trouble. Okay, so the camera's not in focus. So I just got a cup of water because, yeah, I'm tired of running back and forth to get refills of water. But I still have the blower here. Okay, so let's just wake him back up because he fell asleep again. So, wake him up. Put the tortoise on him as soon as he wakes up. Yeah.
Hearing things?
You're not hearing anything.
I know, right?
You don't seem like you're messed up at all. Yeah, it feels weird, don't it? Why does it look like he has dirty fur on camera? I don't know. Oh, almost stepped on the bowl. Alright, about to pour some more on him. Go! You literally not care that you just got poured on by water? You just got water poured on you, dude. Oh, you're on the laugh about it? I'll get more.
Who did that?
I did it.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna go get some more water. I already wasted all of it. And you don't care. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I just got more water. Now, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do now? Hello? He's frozen, everyone.
You actually just poured water on that?
Oh yeah, Pro K's in the background. Yeah, I just poured water on it.
Yeah.
Check him out.
Oh my god.
Oh, he just turned off. He just turned off. Oh no. Oh no. No. He's already getting ruined. Try to wake him back up. Oh, he's turning back on. Yes. Okay, this is good. This is good. Alright. He is somehow still alive. And there's a puddle of water here. So I'm just going to step on it. Splash it all up in him. Yeah, his fur is a little bit messed up here. He's just been taken apart a lot. Isn't that right, buddy? So.
Okay, I'm dropping the water.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, his pot water. Yes, pour it.
Yo, it's in his
You don't care. No,
like nothing.
we're not kidding.
And you said if you put water on electronics, stuff will happen.
I mean, it does, but like, look at this. You are like a tough little guy, huh?
Okay, well, I gotta go now.
Yeah, so Pro K is gonna leave. She just came in and joined for a minute. Yeah, she's gotta go to bed because I'm actually recording at night. So, okay, let's finish with this Furby. Okay, my sister is here. She's going to pour some. Pour it. He looks like he has some screen damage for his eye. Hold on, let me show them. Look at that. Don't know if you can see that.
On camera though.
Hon,
Make sure to check out my channel.
just try to see that. Yeah, her channel is Sassy Cat Tea. Yo, he is so ruined.
And you have
Oh.
to hit the search button.
Hold on a minute. Let me just zoom into that. Let's get it up close. Look at this. Look at his eyes. Poor buddy. Hey, are you frozen again? Ah, he's frozen again, guys. Well, okay. He is just freaking out now. I think I'm going to do a ludicrous drop test. I'm just going to throw him in the air. Don't even care. That rhymed. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay. I'm not sure if he's still going to be alive. Oh, he is. He is. He's good. Well, not really. But I mean, he literally is glitching like so much. Oh, my sister's got hot water. Hot burning water. Pour it. Just pour it. Oh, there you go.
Oh, look at his arm.
Ooh. We got. He's sizzling. Something is. Okay, get back.
He might blow up.
Hold on a minute. You can't see his. You can't see his eyes on the camera, but he looks really messed up.
Crazy.
All right, yeah.
He's sizzling. Oh
I
my
might come
God.
back tomorrow with a part 2 and see if he'll still work. Yeah, I think I gotta get out of here now. Bye.